Share tables are so important because our kids are hungry. They may not have an extra dollar to buy an extra entree.
A lot of students were throwing fruits, cartons of milk, packages of juice, or anything that was prepackaged. They were just throwing it in the trash if they didn't want to eat it.
And if we have something left at breakfast, say we have 10 milks, we put them in the cooler, we bring that back out for lunch service. Once they come through the line, they know right away, I took this apple, but I really don't want it.
So anything packaged, they know to go and put it into the sharing cart. Kids even from home bring their stuff.
Those hungry kids can go up with no questions asked, grab it, and have something extra to eat.
Pretty much everything's gone at our junior high and high school by the time lunch is ending.
Sometimes they won't always pick up like the apple or bananas when we come out to get the cart and we see the kids, we'll say, hey, take this, you can save it for later, put it in your backpack, and then they'll do it. Sometimes you just have to tell them like, oh, take it and save it for later after school. I know you got basketball practice.
I think every school should have a share program. It is not that difficult to implement.
I think it's a great thing, and I think it's great to use food instead of letting it go to waste.
Making a change like this was not about our dollar sign. It was about the healthiness of our children. Are they getting fed? And to me, that's the ultimate goal for us.
You know, we try to get them started to thinking in their minds like, oh, I'm not gonna throw this away. Let's let somebody else eat it.